Find your passion, set a goal, go to work, evaluate, reassess, and repeat. Don't worry about being a star, worry about doing good work, and all that will come to you. Doing stunt work is risky, but it's something I enjoy. I believe when you meet the right person, it clicks and you both now and you start making it work you now. Work ethic is important because unlike intelligence, athleticism, charisma or any other natural attribute, it's a choice. The highest reward that God gives us for good work is the ability to do better work. Football is about sacrifice, dedication, a lot of work, and friendship off the pitch. There are no shortcuts to victory. We must commit ourselves to the slow, painstaking work of foreign policy day by day and year by year. Live like you will die tomorrow, work like you don't need the money, and dance like nobody watching. I feel like a tiger right now. There is nothing impossible if you get up and work for it. Your ego can become an obstacle to your work. If you start believing in your greatness, it is the death of your creativity. Our greatness has always come from people who expect nothing and take nothing for granted, folks who work hard for what they have, then reach back and help others after them. Good leadership consists of showing average people how to do the work of superior people.